letters which we did yesterday only, right? So I hope everybody is ready. Great. So we are moving ahead. Now I am just switching my camera, and then we'll move ahead to J. And yes, before moving ahead to J, I would love to, I would tell you the requirements. Those all are new. For the today's session, I'm going to tell you the requirements. We need, I will let you know this yesterday work as well, Priyal. We need one line notebook, or we can say it is as rules notebook. After that, we need sketch pens. Okay, and for the graffiti, I guess we will need the darker pen, right? Darker sketch pen. Either it can be black or gray. And then we'll move. Then we need one pencil and one eraser. That's it. Okay. So we are moving ahead now. I'm going to change my camera. Just a second, everyone. Okay. So I guess now you can see my work. We are starting up with the letter J. So I just need your thumbs up and smiles. Okay, great. Let's start off with the letter J. Let's start up, kids. Yeah, Priyal. Okay. I am just going to show you the fast review of our letters. What we are going to do, what we did yesterday. We did the letters, bubble letters A, B, C, and then we did D, E, F, and D, E, F, G, H, I. Okay. So now we are moving ahead to the letter J. As you all know, we are going to do the letters in the next 5. We are going to do the letters in 5 lines. Okay. So, and if you have a blank paper, that is also really fine. You can make the 2 lines. You can make the gap of the lines can be 4 centimeter, and then you can continue with it. Okay, it's really comfortable. So we are moving ahead. Let's mark up 5 lines. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. We are going to start the letter J. How we are going to do the letter J, please check it out. Make a standing line from the first line to the 5th line and go up like this. You have to do it step by step with me, and then it will be comfortable doing it. Then it will be really comfortable for you all to do that. Is that fine, everyone? Okay. And after this, we'll move ahead to make the ovals. So let me tell you that how we are going to make the ovals. For the standing line, what we have to do is we have to add on the oval to it. We are going to add on the ovals to our alphabet, and then we'll complete it. Please check it out how to make it. Okay, let's make a sleeping line also here. It will be more better, I guess. After that, what we are going to do, we will make an oval here like this. Be with ma'am and continue doing. And then we are going to make an oval here as well. We can intersect the oval in between 2 of them. It's really fine. We can intersect, and then 1 oval here and other oval here. That means in J we have 4 ovals. Okay. And after that, we have to take any kind of sketch pen, any color. There is no problem. We can take any color of sketch pen, and then we can continue making alphabet. How? Please check it out. I'm going to take the red sketch pen. So let's take a red sketch pen and let's make an outline. Like, okay, my red is not working. Okay, let's take this one. We just have to make an outline, and it should be curvy. Please check it out. Your J should be little curvy as bubble is really curved and roundy. Yes, bubbles are round. So that is why we have to make them little curvy. And then this. After doing this, after completing this part, we just have to take an eraser and we'll rub the inside part. Okay? We will rub the inside part. So what we are going to do, we'll rub it like this. And if your sketch pen is vanished or something, you can redo it. You can outline it. Is that fine, everyone? Okay, so after this, what we are going to do, we are going to make a shadow. As some of the ones are new, so I am going to tell them the concept of shadow really fast. Suppose kids, the shadow is coming, the light is coming from this side. Is that fine? Light is coming from this side. So how we are going to add on our shadow? We are going to add on our shadow this side. Suppose if light is coming from right side, the shadow will be left side. And if the light will come from left side, the shadow will be right side. So as we have done yesterday's work with the shadow from the right side, so we'll continue the same today only. And we'll add on the shadow. Which side we are going to add on? It will be this side. That means it will be left. So we have a shadow this side like this, and it should be equal, please. Right? And let's add on here. Is that fine? And for this, we can add on a shadow here like this. And for this particular thing, we can add on like this. So it will be, and let's fill it up. We can also make it with the other color, or we can do it with the black, so that it can look like we can make it as a 3D. Okay, it's all up to us how we want to do it. We can be flexible with these things, right? Yeah, concept is like this, the basics are the correct like this, but we can be flexible. Okay, so now we are going to make a reflection. We are going to make reflection. How we are going to make reflection, kids? Look here, at the, like in the outlines, we can add on this reflection, and then here also make a reflection, and then at the end of here. So it looks like a bubble. Okay, are we done with the J alphabet, everyone? If you are done, you can show me a thumbs up. Okay, complete it fast. Okay. I hope it is fine now. Now we are moving ahead to the next alphabet, that will be K. It is really easy. Let's move ahead to K. I'm going to make it here. Okay, so let's move ahead to K, everyone. Take up now, again, take your pencil. If you have joined now, you just continue with me right now. Okay, let's make a case, make a standing line in 5 lines. And from the third line, make a slant line going up to the first line, and come down, make a slant line going down to the third line. Okay. Now we will, after making K, we are going to add ovals to it. Okay. So let's add on ovals. How we are going to add on ovals? Make a big rounded oval here like this. Add one more oval to a slant line like this, and we can intersect the ovals as we already know. as good your ovals will be, the alphabets will be that much good only. Okay, so you have to make the neat oval. Very nice. I can see a lot of kids making. Tanzil, yeah, she's smiling and very nice, amazing. And make the oval like this. Great. Now we can have any color, any other color. You can make it colorful, or you can make same color, like you can use a single color for all the alphabets. Yes, you can use any color. And then what we are going to do, we are going to make a outline like this, come down, go up, and let's make K. We are just going to make the outline. And then we are going to rub the inside part. After rubbing the inside part, let's add on a shadows to it. Let's add on a shadows to it. How we are going to make a shadow? The shadow will be left side. Okay. So what we are going to do, we are going to add on a shadow like this. Here it is. And then for this, we can make a shadow here. And for this, we can make a shadow here. And I hope our shadow is done. So we are going to fill it up. We have to check out that where our letter is lying, the same way we are going to make a shadow. And it should be equal. Please don't make it a big, thick, somewhere thick or somewhere different. And the fillness should be downwards or in a single direction so that it should look neat. And then it should be downwards like this. And after this, we are going to add on our reflection. So reflection will be at this end. Then the next one will be at this end. The other one will be at this end. And the last one will be at this end. So there will be 4 ends. Okay. So complete your letter K. Very nice, Prudhi. Then after this, I can see a lot of kids has done. Amazing. Very good. Very nice, Aisha. Great. Shonisha, Ikra. Lot of kids has done. So we are moving ahead to the next alphabet. That will be L. So I'm going to make my L here. After making five, we are going to use 5 lines again. And if you are using plain paper, you can make 5 centimeter or 4 centimeter. It's all up to you. After this, we are going to make L. And yes, everybody knows how to make L. Okay. Yes, I know. Everybody can make. Yes, let's make a standing line because L is little easy. And then a sleeping line here. Okay. So after this, what we are going to do, we are going to add on our ovals. How we are going to make the ovals? Check it out. We are going to make a rounded oval here like this. And then one more oval. So L is really easy, right? L has simple ovals. Okay. Now I am going to use a little light blue color. Okay. Let's have a light blue color. Yes, make an oval here like this. And please make it a curvy from the ends. Right? Be little bit flexible and make it a curvy L. And then what we are going to do, we are going to rub the inside part from here. And then slowly we can rub it. And if your corners are vanished, you can use your redo and use your sketch pen again like this. Okay. And after this, what we are going to do, we are going to add on our shadows. So the shadow will be left side. Okay, let's do that. Come down, join it. And yes, what we can do is we can give a little effect here also for the thickness. Yes. Okay. So now what we are going to do, we are going to fill up our L. And please make it neat. It should be downwards only. Or you can make it, you can do it in a similar direction, okay? Okay, my L is done, but the reflection is left. So let's make the reflection. One reflection will be this side like this, and the other reflection will be at this end. Okay, so I am done with my L. We will move ahead to M. I can see a lot of kids. Svetlana has done L, very good. Very nice kids. If you are done, you can show me a thumbs up. Very good, Dakshita. Very good, Priti. Your beautiful smile, Priti. You, very nice, very nice. Yes, Arna, very amazing. Lots of kids has done. Very good, Pehel. Okay, Prajita, great. So we are moving ahead to M. Let's move ahead. I'm going to make my M here. Okay, let's make it. Make a standing line, slant line, go slant line up, come standing line down. So what we are going to do, we are going to add on the things to it. We are going to add on the ovals. How we are going to add on the ovals? It's really easy. Yes, Janet. Okay. Okay, let's move ahead and make an oval. 1, 2, 3, and 4. We can overlap the ovals, as I've already told you. We can overlap the ovals for making this. Okay, I can see a concentration level what you are giving in your work. Like, it's amazing. Very nice. Jaini, Zuha, Stuti. Amazing. Very nice. So we are moving ahead to the next part, as I'm going to use the next color. It's orange. So let's add on the shadows and everything to the M. 1, and make it for the ends. You have to make it rounded. Okay, rounded hi hona chahiye. It's necessary, and it can be like this. Make the outlines first, and then we'll rub inside part. Let's rub it. And please do it nicely, rub it nicely so that it should look neat. And slowly. It's not hurry. Sometimes if you'll do in hurry, you can the paper can tear or anything, so you can do it nicely. Okay, after this, we are going to add on our shadows. Shadows will be always left side if your light is coming from right side. So we are going to, yeah, Ariana, yes, it's fun. Amazing. Now we are going to add on the shadows here. This part is here. The shadow is this side. For this part, our shadow will be this side like this. And for this part, it will be this side. So whole of the shadow is at the left. Yes. And now then when we are going to add on the thickness to it, like this. Okay, so we are done with it. And after doing this, what we are going to do, we are going to add on a reflection. And here the reflection are at 5 places. 1, 2, 3, 4, and the last one it's 5. So we are done with our M, and I hope it's looking good. Yes. Great, kids, great. Okay, come on, show me your smiles. Yes, very good. Prajita, it's beautiful. Very good, Dakshita. Very good, Nidhijita. Amazing, Iman. Adishri. Svetlana, your M is looking beautiful. Charvi. Okay, we are moving ahead to our N. So we have like N is exactly same like M. We have just little of the things different. Okay, let's move ahead to N, everyone. Okay, let's move ahead to N. Standing line, slant line, and again add on a standing line. And after doing this, we are going to add on oval to it. Okay. Make an oval, a beautiful rounded ovals to it, like this. Yes. And then a slant one. And we can intersect our oval like this. And after this, we can add on our outlines. Take a sketch pen. And then let's add on our outline. And for the ends, we have to make it little rounded. Okay. Okay, I'm done with my outline. And after this, I'm going to add on, very good, Vedika. I'm going to add my shadows to it. So this standing line will have a shadow this side like this. Slant line will have a shadow this side. And this standing line will have a shadow this side. Okay, we haven't rubbed our inside part, so let's rub it. Yeah. So I'm done with my N and the shadows. Oh yeah, we are done. So let's add the thickness to it. N. Yeah. And after this, let's add on this part like this. We'll add on the reflection. For the reflection, we have three part. One is this, other one is a slant line, and the last one is standing line. We have to go with the flow and the letters will look beautiful. Okay. Yes, I can see. Very nice Lakshit is done. Amazing. Svetlana is done with this. Great. I can see a lot of kids are done with the N. So we'll move ahead to O. Let's move ahead to O. Take a pencil, pick up your pencil and make a beautiful round like this. And after making O, what we are going to do, we are going to add an ovals to our O. And yes, it is little tricky. So please check it out how to add on the ovals to our O. Yeah, it's like, see, very nice. Skills artist. Okay, your name is, I'm loving your name. Let's add on our ovals to it. We'll start from the upper side. 1, like this. So we can make it a little rounded if you want to, or a simple one. It's all up to you. And then from here, we'll go down like this and we'll add oval here. And for the other one, for the down part, we are going to add on oval here. And then for the last one, we can add the last oval here like this. And then we have, okay, I am going to take some interesting color. Let's have a gray. I have a gray sketch pen. So let's move ahead with the gray. Okay. Check it out. Yes. And let's rub our inside part. Okay, what we are going to do, we can add on a little small oval inside like this. Okay, let's add on a little small oval inside like this. And after that, let's rub the inside part. And then we have a beautiful bubbly oval. And after that, we are going to add on our shadow. So shadow will be just left side, and the shadow is really easy. It will be, okay, it's this. That's it. So what we are going to do, we are going to fill up our shadow. Slowly, slowly. And then we are going to add on to it like this, and it should not look like it's different from a letter. You have to join it from the ends like this. It should not look like it's different from the letter or you have made it differently. It should join like this. And yes, for this it can be here. For this part it can be here like this. Okay, now we can see it looks like, or, and then we will add on a reflection to it. The upper part, the down part, and then small ear. So we are done with our O. We are done with our O. After this, we will move ahead to P. And before moving ahead, I want to see your smiles and your thumbs up. Okay, Jayani is done. Stuti, Vihan is done. Prisha is done. Aradhya is done. I can see a lot of thumbs up. You can show me a thumbs up like this. Very good kids. Very good, Barkha, Navita. Amazing. So we are moving ahead. Amazing, Rutvik. Your alphabets are looking really nice. Okay, colorful. We are moving ahead to P. Let's move ahead to P. Okay. We are going to use the 5 lines. 1, 2, 3, as always, like this. And let's make a standing line and make, do you remember P? It is just like half of, we are done, we did B, right? It's just like half of B, right? We don't have a down part, that's it. So now we are going to add on our ovals. 1, 2, 3, and the last one, it will be 4. We have added the ovals to it. And after adding ovals, we will have some different color sketch pen. I'm going to have a light blue. And we will add on, we will add on our outlines like this, and the corner part should be always rounded. And then we can add on one thing, we can add on an oval inside like this. And after adding oval, we will rub the inside part. And let's add on our shadows. 1. And for this part, it will be this side. And for the oval, it can be this side. So we are done. We are done with our shadows as well. It's really easy. We are going to have one more thing after this. So let's bug up fast with all the alphabets, and then we will learn a graffiti, how we can add the letters together. Let's color it up like this, and from this side as well. And from this side as well. And if you want to make it a little bigger, this part, it can also be bigger. Okay? It can look like this as well. Okay? So it's all up to you. You can, how you want to make it a little bigger or smaller, it's all up to you. And after this, we can add on this and this. We have added the reflections to it. Amazing, amazing. I can see a lot of kids are done with it. Very good, Soumya. Your piece looking beautiful. Very nice, Halak. Very nice, Mridul. Vedika has done with 2 different colors. It's looking really amazing. Inaya, very good. Okay, Dhyana. Oh, wow, wow. I'm loving your work. So we are moving ahead to the next alphabet, that is Q. And you know, Q is really easy. It looks like O. Let's see how to make it. First, make a beautiful oval like this, and we will just add a slant line from this point to this point. Okay, and after this, what we are going to do, we are going to add on our ovals inside it. So let's move ahead and do ovals. The first oval, second. Okay, now what we are going to do, we are going to add on the oval here also like this, and then we are going to add on an oval here also, right? And then the last oval, which will look like this. So we have just added a slant line from inside, from O, and then we'll have some outlines. Let's do the outline, and yes, for the Q, it will look like this. That's it. And we will add on our small oval here. So we are done with our Q outline. We are just going to add on a rounded part here. That's it. And then we will take our eraser and we'll rub our Q. And after this part, we are going to add on our shadow. So what we are going to do, we are going to add on our shadow like this. and then a shadow like this. And for the oval, the shadow will be this side. And after this, let's fill up our shadows. Yes, I've used the other color right now. I've done with the dark blue, and I've added the shadows with the light blue. Yes, it can happen. You can use any two different colors, and or you can use only for the shadows. You can use pencil colors also, or you can use the black color for the shadow, or a gray part. It will also look good. And after this, what we are going to do, we are going to add on our reflection. So one reflection this side, other will be this side, a little one will be this side, and the rounded one will be this side. Yeah, we are done with our cue. Okay, Soumya, your cue is looking really good. Dia is also very nice. You are doing it really nice. Okay, so I hope everybody is done with the cue. Now we are moving ahead to R. Let's do that. We are going to add on our R here. Check it out how we are going to do. Make a standing line. And for this, make like P and add on a slant line like K. Then after this, we are going to add ovals to our alphabets. Let's see how to do the ovals. 1, 2, 3, and 4. The last one will be 5. After doing this, we will take our sketch pen and we'll make outlines. Yes, the alphabets will remain same. And after this, we will do till T like this, and then U, W, X, Y, Z. We are going to do it with a graffiti. Okay. So let's check it out. Yeah, make it rounded part like this. For this also, ends should be rounded like this. And then we'll make a little round or a triangle inside. It's all up to you. What do you want to make? And after this, let's rub it from the inside. And we will add on our shadows to it. Look here. 1, 2, and the third one will be the shadow of this part. And let's make a shadow of a round. So let's outline your, after this, you have to fill up your shadows like this. And then we will add on our reflection. Okay, so I am done with my R. Look, bubbles don't have their particular shape. Okay, one can be little big, one can be little small. Yes, Soumya, it's looking beautiful. One can be little big and one can be little small. So you can see my R bubble is looking really cute, right? So it's all up to you. It's not necessary that it should look like particularly like this only or something like that. But the concept is like this only, okay? Yeah, Dhyana, it's looking really nice. We are moving ahead to S. Let's move ahead to S. I'm going to make it here. Let's move ahead to S. Okay. We are going to use 5 lines. Make a beautiful S like this. And after that, we will add on our ovals to it. So the very first oval will be this side, like this. The second oval, okay, these, these ovals are little tricky in S because S is really curvy. So make it nicely, okay? And you can be flexible with the ovals or the outlines, it's fine. And yes, I am done with my ovals. I have made 5 of the ovals according to my alphabet S. And then I am going to add on the outline to it. Wow, some of the kids have done all the alphabets because they know how to do it now. It's really nice. I just loved it. Okay, so done with our outline. Now we are going to add on our reflection. We are going to do till T, and then for the U, V, W, X, Y, Z, we are going to do the graffiti. Yes. So what we are going to do, we are going to do we are going to add on our shadow from this side, and for this it will be here, and for this part it will be down like this, and for this one it will be down like this. So make it please. 1, 2, 3, and 4. And after doing this, we will fill up inside like this. Okay, like this. And after doing this, I will after the class, I would love to see your names written with the help of these letters, okay, or anything else you want to write, and then you should post it, okay? 1. Let's add on the reflection. 2, 3, and the last one will be 4. So I hope my S looks good. Yes, mine is looking amazing. I want to see yours. Yes, Pehel, it's looking good. Nidhi, very good. Svetlana, try making it nicely. Very good, Charvi. Amazing, Dakshit. Amazing, Dakshit. Very good. Okay. So we are moving ahead to T. Let's move ahead to T. I'm going to make it here. Make a standing line. Make a sleeping line. Just that. Okay, it's too easy. And after that, we are going to add on our ovals to it. Let's add on our ovals. 1 and 2. Okay, I am done with my ovals. I will show you all of the alphabets after the class, okay? So don't worry. Like in the end of the class, I'll show all of the alphabets. After this, I'm going to use my blue pen like this. 1, and for the ends, you can make it rounded as I always say you like this. And then, yeah, we are done with T. And then, okay, it goes like this, the shadow from this side, and for this, it will go from this side. And we will rub from the inside. Okay, we are done. After this, we will we will give the shadow, we will cover up the shadows, fill it up, and then we will add on the reflection. So it is done like this, and reflection is this side, 1, 2, and 3. So my tea is done. I'm done with my tea. Now I'm going to please everybody doodle tea and then show me a thumbs up fast. And yes, we are going to make the graffiti now. The graffiti means, okay, let me tell you, let me complete my things. Graffiti means when we are going to join all of our alphabets. All of our alphabets means what we are writing. We have how we can join these alphabets and write in a one go. Okay. So I hope everybody is done till T. Yes, Andrew is done. Akshata is done. Kriya, yeah, it's looking good. Yes, Akshata. Amazing, Priyansh. Okay, let's move ahead now. We are moving ahead now. Let's write down all together. You can take any color pen, any. Yes, if it can be dark, so that will look more good. So you can use a darker color for this if you want to. But if you have a lighter one, that is also fine. Is that fine, everyone? So here now I'm going to use, I'm not going to use the 5 lines. I'm going to use at least a little bigger space. Okay. So let's take a little bigger space. You can take a fresh page. Okay, let's move ahead. I'm going to take 8 lines. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. Let's write down X, Y, Z together. Okay? X, Y, Z. X, Y, Z. Let's see how we can write down them. First, I'll write X like this. Okay. If we want to join the alphabets, we have to write down it little nearby. Okay. We have to write down it little nearby. Look here. I am writing it here. Like this. And then for the Z, I'm going to write it little nearby. Okay. Because we need to join them. So in this way, you can write down your own names also. Okay. I'm just showing you one of the example, right? So after this, we will add on our ovals. Everybody knows how to write down, add on our ovals. So let's add on our ovals. We are making it a little bigger. So let's add on our ovals. Why? Okay, we can also do one thing. We can intersect our ovals to the other letter oval. Okay, as I am going to do it with Y and X. Right? After this, 1. And yes, I'm going to join my oval, Z oval to Y oval like this. And in the same way, we will join our shadows as well. And then we'll add on our oval here like this. And then the last one. Okay. Now, after doing this, I'm going to have one particular pen. I can have a purple. Yes, it's a darker. So it's fine. You can do it with the lighter one as well. It's really fine. But yes, you are doing it first time. So the darker will look good. Okay. So after this, what we are going to do, it should look like the letters are joined. Okay, so how we are going to do it? Check it out, everyone. And for the ends, we always know that we have to make it. Okay, leave up the joints right now. First, complete your letter. Okay, like this. And yes, join it like this. Okay, it is coming down like this, and then leave it up here. And let's join it like this. Then again, stop here. And if you want, okay, yes, and then let's join it together. Okay. And after this, we can as I have joined it from the upside, we can also join it from the downside also. It's all up to you, right? It's all up to you how you want to make it little gappy or together. And after this, we are going to rub from inside like this. And then we will add on a shadows fast. Okay, let's add on a shadow. For this, the shadow will be this side, right? And for this, the shadow will be little joined like this. And for this also, the shadow will be joined with it. Okay. Now after this, what we are going to do, we will fill up our shadows. Let's fill up our shadows. Okay. So we are done with it. And then after the end, we are going to add on our, okay, yes, we can add on this side as well. It will look more neat. Yeah. Okay. Now what we are going to do, we will add on the reflection to it. Let's see how to add on a reflection. 1, 2, 3, and 4. X, Y, and let's add on our Z reflection. So as we have big letters, I'm adding a reflection little bigger. So I am done with my X, Y, Z. So yes, I want to see yours. Okay, if some of the kids needs letter U, kids, everything will be uploaded on your WhatsApp groups. And if you want your U, yes, it's really easy. You just have to add on 3 ovals to it, and then it will be done. Ma'am will be sending all of the letters. Okay. Okay, I hope everybody is done with XYZ. I really want to see your XYZ, your graffiti. Please show me. And you can, now you can write down your names with the bubble calligraphy. You can write down your names with the bubble calligraphy. Yeah, yes, you can write down your names and you can send it. I hope everybody is done with your XYZ. And it's looking good. Great, kids, great. I can see a lot of kids are done with it. It's good, very nice. Okay, yes, Rakshit, do it, do it. Very nice. Svetlana is doing, it's looking good, Svetlana.